Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Apple CarPlay Not Connecting in your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go to your infotainment screen right in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm going to give you guys a closer look so you can see much better. So basically, guys, this is the infotainment screen. Here in the left, you're going to find all of these options. Go ahead and click on the settings icon. Here, you're going to find all of your settings, personal info, Bluetooth and devices, and so on. Go ahead and click on Bluetooth and devices. And then here under manage your devices, if your iPhone won't connect, it's probably because you already have a lot of devices already linked to your car. So if you want to remove, you need to remove a device because the maximum devices that are allowed are 5. So just click on the device you want to forget, then click on forget right here. Then you're going to have this message right here. iPhone and all of its information will be deleted from this vehicle. If you are sure about it, go ahead and click on forget. Then you will have a place for your new device that will add. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.